Welcome to Krishna the Tech Monk, where the clarity of a monk meets the buzz of technology. I'm Krishna, your host through the fascinating world of technology. I'm a UX engineer by day and a Zen gadget guru by night. I'm here to bring you the latest in tech, the best of responsibility. What to expect? Expect deep dives into gadgets, gaming adventures, coffee tutorials, XR adventures, and a pinch of silicon that helps you understand and use the technology around you to its fullest. Join me on this journey by subscribing and hitting the bell icon to never miss out on our tech pilgrimage. Stay curious, stay mindful, and embrace the tech wisdom. This is Krishna, the Tech Monk, signing off. Peace and pixels to you.